Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're going to take a look at the iOS Android 14 for our Nothing Phone 1. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at it. So guys, before starting with the iOS, I just wanted to let you know guys that we have completed 20,000 subscribers and we have surpassed obviously 20,058 to be exact right now. So I made a dedicated video on that, so you can watch that video too in here. And right now I'm shooting with the mobile phone because with some good news like our 20,000 subscribers are passing news comes something bad, which is the camera. The LCD display of my camera has stopped working. So I was shooting something like this video only, so I took took the thumbnail photo, and then I took the 50 shots, which you guys will see. Obviously I will add them, but after that the LCD display just stopped working. I don't know why it happened, but it just stopped and it's now flickering. And I don't know if it is able to be get it repaired right away. But I have my exams coming in a month, so I cannot get it repaired right away. So I'll have to shoot for some time with the mobile phone, and I'm using my mother's Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So please also let me know about the quality, because I see it is good, and also the audio is also good. So yeah, you guys let me know about that. Also, my sister has an iPhone 13. I tried with that. The quality was good, but mic quality, like the audio quality, I did not find it appealing comparing to the Galaxy S20 FEs. So I don't know why, but it was my experience, or maybe the iPhone is old, so the mic has got a bit like yeah, like that. So yeah, that is just what I wanted to tell you guys. So yeah, enjoy the video, and yeah, please do subscribe. And also, yeah, if you want to watch the video of my 20,000 subscribers, you can watch it here. It's just me speaking. So yeah, if you want to listen to me speaking to you guys, you can. Now guys, this is EOS, and as you can see, this is the app drawer. This is the dashboard, not dashboard, a widget space. You can see you have suggestions, you have widgets, you have advanced privacy widget, you have weather widget. You can add some more widgets. Yeah, you can see you have all these options. This is AOSP widget picker, and you can see you can have all of the widgets like you have on other ROMs. You can see I have also Samsung Health, so you can add all of these widgets, WhatsApp widget, and the default e-apps widgets too. Now the EOS comes with all of these apps. As you can see, these are the stock apps, and the icons look like I was saying iOS 5, but yeah, this is good. This is the app dock. We don't have a separate home screen. We just have the iOS like app drawer, and you can see iOS inspired icons. Obviously this ROM is de-googled, so you have this app launch which you can connect to and install apps from it. And yeah, sometimes it does not show the apps, so you just have to go to search. It depends on how your Wi-Fi network is, because it does not depend on any Google stuff. So yeah, you can easily go into search, and you can see I have downloaded all these apps. So most of the apps, like not most, like almost of the apps are present. You can see my banking apps, all the Google apps, and yeah, some other apps that I use on a daily basis are in there. But yeah, if there are if you use an app and it is missing from the app launch, you can go to their GitHub, and you can add a pull request. Is easy to request you to add that app to the app launch. So that is also being accepted on that basis of if the app is available to be added to the app launch or not. Now guys, this comes with its default camera, and it is based on camera 2. So you can see it is like the open camera. So if you go into settings, you get all these options. Yeah, you can see you get in the open camera, it says camera 2 API. If you go into about, you can see it says camera 1.53.1, and it gives you all of this information. Yeah, camera is forked from camera. Yeah, if you want to check the source code, okay, yeah, this is the open camera obviously. So yeah, you can see camera information. Yeah, these are the options have been added. So yeah, you can configure a lot of stuff in here. And I don't know if Gcam works or not, but yeah, you can try and use Gcam. and there's no nothing camera, so yeah, you might miss on that too. Now let's check out the settings UI. So this is the settings app, and as you can see, your AOSP settings, just like how normally you get on LineageOS, the same UI is present, but we get some icons, colored icons, so it is very easily identifiable and looks good. Like it looks a bit different. It's not totally different, like the UI has been changed, but yeah, the icons added to the settings to be easily like differentiated from others, and you can see there are a lot of options, extra options are present: advanced privacy, parental control, which we're going to talk about later in this video. Now let's take a quick look at all the settings it has. So you have system updates, your accounts. It comes with pre-built microG, so you can add your Google account, but without using those Google services and that framework and all that stuff. So yeah, if you are a microG user, you know what this all stuff is. Yeah, it's de-googled and stuff. You can see your network and internet, then then calls and SMS. You have Wi-Fi calling, and I have enabled it. You don't see any icons in here, so yeah, we will also check about that in the status bar options if it is available, because this is based on LineageOS. So but yeah, those icons are obviously not available in LineageOS, so it's not available in here too. Then you can see in here you also have 4G calling, so VoLT is also present, so that's not an issue. Like you don't have that issue of VoLT and Wi-Fi calling. Then notifications, your normal stuff. Yeah, I can see this is LOS based, LineageOS based, so yeah, you get all the options from LineageOS. So this is battery usage, you have battery information, it will tell you the maximum capacity, cycle count, and all that stuff. Then getting down here into storage, you can see if you use Android 14 LineageOS before, you will see these settings similar. Then we have separate charging sounds option. Yeah, you can see it opens. I thought that it's worked. We have into display, we have lock screen, we also do get always on display, and yes, everything is just similar. You can see it's the same AOD we get on other AOSP ROMs. Now coming back to display menu, we have screen, yeah, just basic dark theme. We have pure black, but the pure black theme does not work, and I have also tried to enable this on my Galaxy S7 and S8 running the same EOS Android 14, but the pure black theme did not work. So it is a ROM issue, it's not our device issue. And the quick settings background is pure black by default, but the settings background is dark. It's not pure black, but yeah, that is an issue, and let's see if it gets fixed in the upcoming versions. I will leave a link of the SourceForge folder. You have to just search for Spacewar, which is the code name of Nothing Phone 1, and you can easily update it over. You can just go to ADB sideload the new zip. It's easily updatable, or maybe if OTA is available, you can check on OTA, and you can see this other options: tap to sleep. We don't have double tap to wake, we have tap to check phone. So yeah, a single tap will open the phone just like that. My AOD is enabled. Let me just configure that. So yeah, as you can see, in here into display, you have the tap to check phone, and you can just single tap and you can have the lock screen. Now if you want to see something good, then we have those wallpapers in this ROM. So you can see the wallpaper in style customization. You have icons and you have these icons, so you can change icons and stuff. Then you have fonts, just these 4 fonts available in this ROM, and other locks and options. But here into change wallpaper, you have a lot of default wallpapers which I really adore, and you can see variety of wallpapers are available, colorful, some basic, you can see some shade, and then we have some dark wallpapers, black wallpapers. The one I have set with dark and red, this is also dark and red, not the basic pure black, but yeah, these wallpapers are really great. Like I have also told you guys about this in the S7 and S8 video too. And privacy and security is guaranteed in this ROM. We have security and privacy, you get your basic privacy too, but here we have advanced privacy, and you can see we have a lot of stuff here like app trackers. If you go into, we have day, month wise, year wise statistics, then we have apps trackers. Then going back, we have geolocation, we have use random plausible location, and we have a use specific location, so you can do it accordingly. You can see you can just randomly go anywhere. So this is really mad. If you don't want to, just don't use this for any of that illegal stuff or doing some bad things. Yeah, that's not what you want to use it for. But yeah, if you want to do some research, uh, if your device or your access is restricted in some regions, so yeah, you can use that to access certain websites, obviously for good things only, not bad things. uh, yeah, you have hide my real IP address, you have that stuff. Then wall of shame, you can see the things which are leaking your data. 28 leaks by browser. And Google has also detected a lot of leaks. You can see Adometry, Google AdSense. So yeah, the wall of shame, this the the things they are using to express, it's really nice. Then parental control, if you want to give this a phone to your kids or your even parents which are very very old, and you want to keep track of what the content they consume. Like obviously old people will not be consume any stuff, but yeah, kids are very curious and they get into some bad stuff, and that stuff gets addictive. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's bad for their health overall. So yeah, you can set parental control. Also, you can track them and you can restrict their usage. Obviously, you don't have to monitor them all the time, but yeah, good things are good for them. And yep, that's it for the privacy and settings regarding the security stuff. Now we have some more options into system. Like if you have used LineageOS before, all the stuff is in the system. So you can see we have buttons customization. You can customize the buttons. We have advanced power menu too. If you have used LineageOS, we also get that. Then yeah, volume button customization, extras like partial screenshot. We have glyph interface. So yeah, you can also do use your glyph, and it comes with the music visualizer. So yeah, that is also present. Into status bar, you can see system icons, and we do not have VoLT and VO Wi-Fi icons. So yeah, you have to live with that. There is no icons related to VO Wi-Fi or VoLT. So yeah, but it works fine. That I have called people. So yeah, I know that. And you can see your basic lineage stuff. We have microG. You can add your accounts. You have all this. If you have used microG before, then you know how all this stuff works. I don't want to get it like in depth of that. And you have gestures. Yeah, all the basic gestures are available. And yep, some other stuff, mobile management. Yeah, if you guys don't know about this, just don't do anything, just get back to settings like I'm doing. And we have something else, unified push. So yeah, you can also check it out if you know what you're doing, because I don't know what these options are. Like it's not possible for me to check every option. So yeah, that was it for all the settings of the EOS Android 14. So guys, now to conclude, this ROM is for those who use microG a lot, like while using custom ROMs. They don't want the Google services to eat up their storage, and also stuff to track them. The ad data, you have ad blocking. So yeah, if you want an ad-free experience, if you want a clean UI, you can see all these apps are totally open source apps, and they don't have anything with Google. Obviously it's Google that made AOSP, but yeah, it does not fill it up with Google services and a lot of stuff. It has pre-built microG. All the apps work from app launch, so that is also not an issue. So yep, VoLT, all the basic functions, the Wi-Fi, VoLT, camera, everything works fine. Obviously we don't have the functions of nothing camera, but you can install Gcam and try that. It should work fine. I haven't used it yet. So yep, that was it. Battery life is also amazing, guys. I don't have a proper screenshot. I don't know why the while taking screenshot, maybe I have deleted it. It's not, but the screenshot has got deleted. Maybe I have deleted it because I had deleted some stuff yesterday, so it got deleted. But that's it, that's life. So yeah, if you guys like the video, you can like the video. Yeah, and if you dislike it, you can press the dislike button. Also, if you guys want to watch more videos on the Nothing Phone Win, you can subscribe to my channel because a lot of more videos are coming. And for any feedback, any guide, you can comment down below in the comment section. So I'll get to know uh, that you have this problem and I can help you guys resolve it. So that's it. Now to install this, you have to follow the same LineageOS procedure. Just go into fastboot, install the boot and vendor images and boot into recovery and flash the zip to ADB side load. You can refer this video, LineageOS video or any other video to flash it. I don't want to waste another 5-6 minutes and stretch it. So that is it. If you guys like this video, I have said it before, I don't want to say it again. So goodbye guys, see you guys soon and take care. Bye bye. Also guys, thank you for the 20,000 subscribers. You can watch this video here, the dedicated video I have made on 20,000 subscribers, and bye bye finally.